Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Suitcase Fusion, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Suitcase Fusion, start by closing the application. Ensure that no other related applications are currently running. Next, navigate to the control panel on your computer. For Windows users, click on Programs, then select Programs and Features. Locate Suitcase Fusion in the list of installed programs. Click on Suitcase Fusion to highlight it. Then, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the uninstallation. If prompted, confirm your choice to remove Suitcase Fusion from your system. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer to finalize the process. For Mac users, first, close the Suitcase Fusion application. Open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the Suitcase Fusion app in this folder. Drag the Suitcase Fusion app to the trash. To ensure all related files are removed, also check the Library folder. Access the library by holding down the Option key and selecting Go in the Finder menu. Look for any Suitcase Fusion folders in the Application Support and Preferences sections. Delete these folders if they exist. Finally, empty the trash to complete the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.